Imagine the power of foreseeing your company's HR needs before they become a pressing issue. How might that shape the future of your business? Welcome to our enlightening conversation on HR matrices and predictive analytics with Dr. Sayma Zia. What exactly are HR matrices? HR matrices are essentially tools that HR professionals use to measure, track, and analyze employee data. For example, metrics like turnover rates, recruitment costs, and employee engagement levels are all part of the HR matrix. How can these matrices help us with predictive analytics? Predictive analytics involves using statistical techniques like data mining, modeling, machine learning, and AI to analyze current data and make predictions about the future. HR matrices provide the raw data that these techniques need to function. Example of a commonly used HR matrix with its formula. One of the most commonly used HR matrices is the employee. The formula for calculating the turnover rate is the number of employees who left during a specific period is divided by the total number of employees at the start of the period. The result then gets multiplied by 100, depicting the turnover rate in percentage form. How can this turnover rate be used in predictive analytics? Using this turnover rate, along with other relevant HR matrices, predictive analytics can help a company forecast future turnover trends. This insight enables the company to take preemptive measures to retain talent. Are there other HR matrices that are crucial for predictive analytics? Certainly, there are several matrices, for instance, the recruitment cost ratio. You can calculate this by dividing the total cost of recruitment by the total compensation of new hires over a certain period. Let's visualize this. Imagine a scale. On the left side, you have the total cost of recruitment, and on the right side, you have the total compensation of new hires over a certain period. The division of these two gives you the recruitment cost ratio. This ratio can help companies predict the cost effectiveness of their hiring strategies. Let's look at a few more examples. Employee turnover rate, formula, average number of employees during period, number of employees who left during period, multiplied by 100. If 20 employees left the company in a year, and the average number of employees during the year was 200, the turnover rate would be 22 hundredths, multiplied by 100 equals sign 10%. Cost per hire, formula, total recruiting costs, number of hires. Example, if the total recruiting costs for a year totaled $50,000 and the company hired 100 employees during the same period, the cost per hire would be $50,000, 100ths equals sign $500 per hire. Revenue per employee, formula, total revenue, number of employees. Example, if a company generates $10 million in revenue and has 200 employees, the revenue per employee would be $10 million. 200 equal, sign $50,000 per employee. Absenteeism rate, formula, total number of days, absent, total number of work days, multiplied by 100. Example, if employees were absent for a total of 500 days during a month and there were 20 employees working 20 days each, the absenteeism rate would be 500, 20 multiplied by 20, asterisk 100 equal sign 6.25%. Training return on investment, ROI. Formula, total benefits, total costs. Total costs multiplied by 100. Example, if a training program costs $10,000 to implement and results in increased productivity, leading to $50,000 in additional revenue, the ROI would be $50,000 minus $10,000. $10,000 multiplied by 100 equals sign 400%. Employee satisfaction score, formula, number of satisfied employees, total number of employees, multiplied by 100. For instance, if a survey indicates that 150 out of 200 workers are happy in their current positions, the employee satisfaction score would be 75%, 152 hundredths. Multiplied by 100 is equal to 75%. These are just a few examples of HR metrics commonly used in organizations. The formulas provided can be adjusted or customized based on specific organizational needs and requirements. To summarize, HR matrices provide essential data for predictive analytics. These statistical techniques can then use this data to forecast future trends, allowing companies to make proactive decisions that can shape the future of their business. Join us again next time as we continue to delve into the fascinating world of HR analytics. Until then, keep thinking ahead and stay ahead of the curve.